Hey friends, hi, I'm Swati Singla and welcome to my channel once again. My last two videos were inspired by some of the mistakes I used to commit, and I hope you all have also corrected yourself. So, let's see what today's videos is all about. The last word which I gave you is this, and the correct word for this is here. So, let's delve into the video. What is the explanation of this word? The word is abandon. 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 Abandon means to give up completely, turn one's back on, to leave. हिंदी मीनिंग अगर हम देखते हैं तो abandon means सिंपल सा मीनिंग है छोड़ देना. छोड़ देना. Don't bother about something, or to leave, to give up completely, turn one's back on. हिंदी में बिल्कुल छोड़ देना, कुछ छोड़ के चले जाना या किसी को अपनी पीठ दिखाना, like this. Examples are her natural mother had abandoned her at a very early stage. जो उसका उसकी रियल मदर थी, जो ब्लड रिलेशन जिसके साथ था, she had abandoned her daughter at a very early stage. बहुत जल्दी, बहुत अर्ली स्टेज पे, बहुत जल्दी ही उसने उसको छोड़ दिया. Abandon is छोड़ दिया. One should abandon anger and ego. Definitely, these two are evil habits. We should not have anger and ego, or if you have these, you should abandon these habits as soon as possible. When the mood is fallen, only thought is to abandon all. When you are low, when you are feeling low, when you are not well, then only thought or only solution is to abandon all. That is to leave everything aside, to leave everything, to drop everything from your mind and keep yourself calm so that you can come out of that downfall. You can come out of that bad mood. So when the mood is fallen, only thought, only solution is to abandon everything, right? So abandon means to leave. In general, in one word, is to leave. सब कुछ छोड़ देना, सब भूल जाना. So guys, I hope you all have abandoned all your boring words to speak boring English, and now you have some more impressive words to speak fluent and impressive English from this series. So use this series to help yourself and to help others as well. So if you like this video, please share it as much as you can, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you tomorrow again with a new word. And yes, of course, today's jumble word is right on your screen. And I'll see you tomorrow again. Till then, keep learning, keep having fun, and keep practicing. See you. Bye bye. Thank you.